fight.
Yeah, that thing just walks.
Beep, beep.
Oh, I had a two-stroke.
The Yamaha, it's fucking playing up there.
What year is that? Why Zinger?
Oh, 05.
You sell that to him?
No.
Oh.
He's got it set up all good too.
Yeah.
Why did
That's
they-
the quad guy, isn't it? Fixing quads?
That was
thought it was a
fantastic.
Yeah.
Worked at Parker Marine.
Oh yeah.
You got a good tire on the 500?
It's off now. It's gone off.
No!
Oh,
That was
fuck,
sweet
man,
though.
you were right there.
That was beauty.